welcome back. So today's video is going to be on a nice summery bronzy look. I'm not going to be applying foundation because I feel like less is more in the summer. So you want to wear less on your face and you want to breathe, let your face breathe because you're going to have the sun on you. If you want to see how I create this nice bronzy, summery, less is more look, then please keep watching. And please, I don't say this often in my videos like I should, but I think I'm going to start saying it more. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at estefania.rihanna. And let's get started. Today for the face, I'm going to be using this Insta Flawless Perfecting Radiant Skin Tint. And it's more like a primer to me than anything. I know it has a little tint to it, but to be applying that all over the face. Okay, I'm bringing that to my neck. Okay, so that's done. Oh, I already have my eyebrows done. I've been using the Ka-Brow by Benefit. If you watch my videos, then you know that lately this is all I've been using because it's like 3 minutes and I'm done with my eyebrows. So today I'm going to be using this MVP Perfect Plus Protect. It's by Beauty For Real. It's a tinted moisturizer plus concealer and it has SPF 25. You want to have an SPF in your products because you want to maintain your face nice and young. This is in the color medium. So on the top is a concealer. This is the moisturizer. I thought that it was like combined together, but no. And I just dipped my finger in here because I'm like, what is this? So I'm going to apply this all over the face. In the summer, I usually apply, ooh, that smells good, either a tinted moisturizer or just concealer. I am liking this. And it actually covered a lot. I had these acne spots over here and it actually covered. Actually go in with a brush and a little more just so that I can have a little bit of coverage. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm gonna apply that under my eye only. I'm not gonna go all over the face like I usually do. So I'm putting the concealer on my eyes as well so that it can be a base for the eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. And I'm just going to be applying that under the eyes and all over the face so that I can set under the eyes. So now that the powder is on the face, I'm going to bronze up the face a bit. And this is a Beauty For Real Bronze and Glow. It's a bronzer, and this is Coco Cabana, and then this is a highlighter, and this is High Tide. So the bronzer and highlighter. So I'm going to bronze the face up a bit, and I guess I can like contour as well. So I'm going to contour the parts of my face that I like to contour. Then I'm going to use this to contour my nose as well. But I'm going to take a brush to do so. Apply this on the forehead. Now I'm going to be using a brush to blend that in. After the face is nice and bronze, I'm going to bronze it up just a little tiny bit more because that bronzer actually helped with the contouring. So I just want to bronze it up a bit more. So I'm using the Pure Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze, and I'm just going to be using the dark brown color here and applying it on the cheeks only. I'm bringing that to my cheeks just a little bit because I'm not going to be applying blush. So after I bronze the cheeks, I'm going to go in with the eyes. And today it's super simple. I'm just using this Bronzing Eyeshadows Baked Eyeshadows by Technique Cosmetics, and it's a beautiful bronze palette. It has all of these beautiful shimmery bronzy colors. I'm just going to use this brown color on the lid. I'm literally going to take my finger and apply it. And this is so easy. I love shimmery colors that you can apply with your finger, and then you just blend it out a little bit, and that's it. That's like the whole look, you know? So I'm literally just going to blend that up into the crease a little bit. For the under eye, I wanted to just make that a little darker and bronzier. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty. I'm obsessed with this palette. I've used it already 3 times in a row. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Be applying that on the bottom of the eye, or the bottom lid. I want to go in with my brush again and just make sure that's nicely blended. Jonte blue eyeliner pencil, and it's a brown eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to fill in my waterline with this pencil. I usually always curl my lashes when I'm doing easy makeup because it makes my eyelashes longer, because I usually don't wear falsies, but I am going to put on falsies just because, you know, it's YouTube. Highlight the brow bone, and I'm using Technique Cosmetics Get Gorgeous Bronze Highlighter. It's so pretty. I love it. I know I mentioned this in my previous video, but if you guys don't know who Technique Cosmetics are, it's a brand from the UK. So now that that's highlighted, I'm going to go into the inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with these lashes, and these are Lash Makeup eyelashes, and I love these eyelashes. Third time I'm applying them, and these eyelashes are so easy to apply, and they're so perfect. I don't know, I love these. Lashes are in, and aren't they just so beautiful? Like, I love them. For highlight, I almost forgot about highlight. For highlight, I'm going to be using the High Tide side of the highlight, and I'm going to be applying that. Ooh, you see that? Ooh. Now I'm going to be using a brush to blend that out. We did say that this is a less is more video, but when it comes to highlight, there is no less is more. There is no less is more. That's it. There is no less is more. I'm going to be applying a little bit of this Technique Cosmetic highlighter. So I'm going to be applying that on top of the other highlighter. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to be using my favorite go-to lippy, which I need a new one. It's the Dolce K by Kylie Cosmetics, and I love this lippy all year round, but especially in the summertime. It goes great with bronze looks. This is the finished look. It was so easy. This makeup you can do like in 15 minutes if you're not applying lashes. Any extra things that I did. It's super easy and it looks good. You can wear it every day and you can wear it at night as well. It's a universal summer bronzy look. So I hope you liked it. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.